What's good, traders? Welcome to another video. Well, today I want us to get to have a very a simple conversation, and this is a conversation regarding why pro firms, most of the pro firms, don't prefer having swing traders being involved. First of all, let me get to highlight you some of the pro firms that restrict swing traders. We have a pro firm like Funding Pips. We have so many pro firms which have imposed this rule, and the most appropriate pro firms for you to trade as a swing trader, they are just three. My favorite one, of course, is Code Funded Trader, and we also have the FTMO. This allows you to hold your trades that is over the weekend. And remember, there's an advantage that comes with you being a swing trader. So first thing first, it's important to understand that for the swing traders, they get to focus with the higher time frame. And by a higher time frame, we're talking about from 4 hours, daily, weekly, monthly, and there are those traders who even get to trade on a yearly basis. Myself, for my entries, I usually go for 4 hours, and this has really been working amazing for me. Since the time that I switched from being a day trader to a swing trader, I've really improved my winning. That is my winning percentage, and the reason for that is because I've really avoided reckless as well as low quality setups. So with the with the high time frame, the market tends to be more clear, and for the pro firms, these are disadvantage to their business model. Remember, with the pro firms, they really get to make money from those people who are losing from the evaluation challenges as well as these evaluation programs. So see this situation like this. So let's say we are 1,000 people who are calling ourselves traders, and we have purchased a $5,000 pro farm account, and of course for each account is going for around $30. So if you get to multiply that by 1,000, you can see that's around $30,000 with the real cash. And of course, statistics have shown that out of 100 traders, only 1% managed to be funded, and of course, only 1%, less than 1% gets to receive their first payout. So, among these 1% and less than the 1%, trust you me, from data collected, statistics have shown that majority of these people, they are swing traders, and swing traders, they have shown a reputation. They have had a record of holding or having or maintaining a funded account for more than even a year plus. And this is a very disadvantage to these pro funds, because remember, by the end of the day, they are looking forward that you get to purchase this challenge. Remember, you have phase one and phase two, and then from there you get logins for master. And most of the people, most of the traders out here can tell for sure, once they get those the master account logins, they don't get a payout. But for the swing traders, remember, with the swing trading, we get to focus on high time frame, meaning on weekly basis you can get one or even less than or even you can get one or two trading setups, and at some point you don't even get even one single setup. And this way you find yourself you're avoiding those unnecessary or low quality setups. This way you get to really have consistency when it comes to payout, and this is what the pro firms, they don't want. So for this same reason, they have come with a rule whereby you can't hold trades over the weekend. Funding pips have started imposing these rule, and this has really discouraged swing traders. Myself, I have an account with Funding Pips, but I'm no longer motivated to trade to take trades on this account, because I know by the end of the day my setups, they get to be a bit slow, they get to take longer for them to hit TP, and for that case I have to hold over the weekend. And since they are denying me, or they are restricting me from doing that, that profile is no longer a thing for me. So I'll really stay away from Funding Pips. And of course, if you're a beginner trader out there and you're looking to being a swing trader, remember, statistics have shown, out of the day traders, the scalpers, and the swing traders, they get to have a higher winning rate. And for you to get to profitability faster, you need to switch to swing trading. And for that case, you can't be trading funding pips. And for that reason, I would advise, if the management of funding pips, they can get to have this discussion, uh, it would be appropriate if they get to remove that rule of holding the over the weekend. But I do understand pro firms is just a business like any other. They have to make sure the numbers, statistic wise, they get to favor them for them to be profitable. So I do understand where they're coming from. So what are the advantages of being a swing trader, which make a pro firm, which makes swing trading being a very big threat to pro firm? Remember, first of all, as a swing trader, because you get focused with high time frame, you are less emotional. I remember, whenever you're not emotional, you get to tend to see things more clearly, and this way you get to make clear decision and best decision for that reason. And this way you get to focus with the A plus setup. And this is something that the pro firms, they don't want that. Also, another thing is that you get to avoid that constant screen time. And this way, guys, this is a huge thing for any trader out there, because it gets to give you clarity when you're off the charts. When you get to come back to the charts, you get to see things differently. You also get to give the market time to play out, and of course, uh, cook up a few setups, which could be your A plus setup. Unlike a situation whereby a day trader or a scalper, they are always on the screen, always being involved in the market, and whenever they get to take one, two losses, the psychology gets out of the window, and now it's pure gambling. Also, another thing is to understand with this with swing trading. Remember, you're just waiting for just one setup the entire week. This way, you get to focus on high quality setup. Myself, I like, for this case, as I'm doing this video right now, it's 3. Today is on Wednesday, the 1st of July. So I haven't taken any trade. Today's on Wednesday. I didn't take any trade on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and of course, I'm looking forward for some setups tomorrow. That is on Thursday. Remember, I don't trade on Monday as well as on Friday. So for this reason, I have just 3 days to look for A plus setups, and I still have tomorrow. So in case tomorrow I don't get a setup, I won't be involved into the chat. I'll just wait for the next week. So remember, you have to be patient, and this way I get to avoid taking reckless as well as low quality setup for that case. So also another thing is that with swing trading, it gets to give you a very good risk to reward ratio. Remember, with swing trading, you can comfortably make 1:3, 1:4, 1:2. Like for my case, I usually get focused with 1:2, and I have consistently been seeing profitability over a number of trades. So this is one of the reasons. These are some of the reasons why swing traders, they are not the favorite traders when it comes to pro firms. But either way, if you get to stick as a swing trader, you get to make money in the long run. So I would suggest, if you're a beginner out there, or you're somebody who is still struggling with becoming profitable, consider moving to higher time frame. So that's what I had for you today, guys. If you're looking, guys, to have to take some lesson when it comes to swing trading, I'm looking forward to offer some classes. You can just go ahead. You get to reach out to me through the comment section. You also have an email somewhere in this account, and sure enough, we can get to have some arrangement, because I'm looking forward to have at least 10 students who I can get to teach them from beginner level to intermediate, and of course they get to become pro and profitable traders. That's what I have for you today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, guys.